So hello guys, Silver Game of Thrones. Some new coins today. After Black Friday, week before or week after, it is from both from UpMax and from GM Bullion. And as you know, I usually collect them as collections. Okay, no more single coin for me, only collections. Trust me, this is the best way. From my experience in the last 4 or 5 years, collecting silver, you only collect collections for premium silver. Or you just collect generic, but if you collect premium, it should be collections. It will be much easier for you, a much better value. Okay, let's go into it. So I'll start from first one. Molten lava, everyone knows, right? I don't need to present it, it's like 1 ounce. And I have all of them, 1 2 ounces, this is the last one. I grab for 1 ounce, molten lava. Yeah, everyone knows them, so we good. Okay, next one is, of course, I also collect this American rounds, and this is a beautiful Morgan. It's a Morgan, 2 ounce. I saw and I grabbed them. I have all of them from Sunshine, my mint, from Gold, mint, GSM, mint. I have all of them all over. I just know they are very collectible and they're very nice. This was a little bit expensive, I believe $43, $44. But hey, for the quality, for the history, the Morgan, one of the best to collect. Okay, it doesn't matter what you have, it will always have, easy to sell and great value. 1878 restrike and close to spot. So what else you want? Big chunk of silver in a beautiful form. Okay, so enjoy. Very cool, very nice. Okay, so now before we are going into Canadian, we may go into this one, which is Nui Celestian Animal Green Dragon. I know a lot of you guys get it. I also got it, and by the way, it's already gone because it's cheap. It's like $23, right? I remember I bought it like $23, $24. I don't know, there are so many of these dragons, right? But for this price, yeah, it may be good value. 2019 green dragon. So what they say, what Apex say about this? 10,000 coins, gold, white, 999 silver, Queen Elizabeth, and this is celebrate the animals on Feng Shui. The Celestial Animal series begin with the green dragon with a limited matches of 10,000. So we expect maybe more dragons of the way, right? This is the first one. Yeah, it's very good quality. Yeah, okay. I think it's a good value for this kind of money. Yeah, and not big surprise from this coin, but okay. Just get some dragons, more and more dragons. Okay, now this, although I'm talking about collection, okay? I don't know from where to start, but let's start from the left side, right? Okay, so here I collect kind of unique coins. This is 1.5 ounce and this is 3/4 ounce. You see, this is 3/4. This is not 1 ounce, but they are very collectible. The quality is very bad. Okay, I'm telling you right away. I got this coin. I'm going to send it back to GM Bullion. The quality is very bad. You can see right now. You see this side? There is a spot milk. You see this side, spot milk. This side may be okay, but the overall, there's something here. This Canadian, a piece of crap. I don't know what they are doing. People, willing to pay so much. You already see this. There's a spot on this side. You see the spot milk, and maybe here. The quality is not good, but I do collect them, so I will try to find the one, which is in a good condition. So what I have. So this one, you see Arctic Fox. I start collecting them from 2014. You see one ounce Arctic Fox. Little bit light maybe. I'll try. Give more light. Arctic Fox. Yeah, backside is the same. Yeah, it's a good condition. It's scratchy on the capsule. Yeah, this is what I have. Arctic Fox. Need to clean here. You see? Maybe it's already start to build. Yeah, you see the milk start to build in the middle. Yeah, they're all crappy coins. Okay, but I collect them. Next one is 2016. No, next one is 2015. The polar bear. Polar bear. You see the polar bear, 2016. 2016, the polar bear. You see with his small one walking in Antarctica, somewhere there. The next one is a Canadian falcon. The bird, Canadian falcon, it's 2016, 1.5 ounce. You see it's also start to build the milk a little bit. Yeah, they're very bad quality. So if you get them a little bit more of a spot, that's it's okay. Don't expect, some premium here, but I believe I paid, something like around $30 for 1.5 ounce. So like not much above premium. And the last one I got a grizzly, of course. The grizzly, very, very cool looking. Yeah, you see the spot is here, even in the middle. You see every spot, milk everywhere. Piece of crap that Canadian can do it. I don't know, but I try to collect them, but really, with this quality, you will not find many people. Sometimes they go very cheap. Okay, this I collect. Still I collect, right? Now we're going to the right side. Right side is 3/4. So let's start from old one. I think this is the older one. The gray wolf. Okay, let's open it. I like collecting cereals. I highly recommend you guys collecting cereals. Okay, just don't collect coins. When I started, I collect everything what I like, but then I start to rebuild my collection, and I start, to keep only. Yeah, this is the best. This is the back side, and this is the front side. The wolf. The gray wolf. This is a beautiful coin. Even with all this, imperfection, still, those coins are very beautiful. I like this, nature there, like a wild, very cool. Okay, so this is the 2015. This is 2016. The Howling Wolves. The Howling Wolves, 2016. Also wolves. Okay. Okay. This is 2017. The Wolf Moon. Wolf Moon. Also very nice. And this is 2017. The Big Horn. Beautiful, beautiful. I think they are like a proof, silver proof. Oops, sorry. And this is 2018 Canadian Wolverine. Canadian Wolverine. Very nice. And I bought one more to complete, which is 2019. This is a Canadian wild horse reverse proof coin. You just cannot be natural when you see such coins. This is a really collectible coins, and the quality is much better now. You see, they're like a proof. They make it proof, so no spot milk on proof coins. I never see spot milk on a proof coin. This is very good quality. Okay, guys, this is what I call collections. Okay, so please subscribe, make your comments, okay? Just don't be natural, don't look on this collection and say, okay, no, it's not okay, If you don't want to support my channel, then I will stop doing this, okay? Thank you very much, guys. Good day.